All right, so what I'll be doing today is continuing to work on the amp rack. I think I have one more DBX drive rack to add, and I think I have 2 space left out here. I'm gonna, drop it down 1 space, then maybe add a space holder here, just in case I wanna add something later. So everything is gonna drop down, and I add the drive rack, which is the second drive rack, and then I have some privacy screens. So this one is a glass, it's a 4-unit glass. I really wanted to cover 6 items, so I decided to get the 4-unit instead of there was no 6-unit cover available, but there was an 8-unit, and I decided to go with the 4, and then maybe I'll use a 2 on top. So this is the 4-unit tinted glass cover, so that's gonna go on here. But this installs a little bit weird. I don't like how it installs. You actually have to take out all the 4 items and hold this onto the 4 items and screw them in as you go. So let's see how challenging that is. Anyway, I'm gonna add those and then finish covering up, add some space holders here, some covers for amp space that I may be adding later. And what's not showing on the camera now is that I have the bass amplifier. That's a 1-unit add mark. I still have the space holder. I'm waiting for another 1-unit amplifier to drop here to play low mid and high mid. And I have the WASI amplifier, the W4400 amplifier. That's gonna take care of my horn and tweeter frequencies. So yeah, that's where I am. So let's see how I'm gonna get started. I think I'm gonna have to start taking these out. When I'm done with the front, I'll make sure I post a picture of the front and actually play everything together, and then start working on the exterior, where I'll be placing a drive rack. This is a drive rack PA, not the 2, and a BBE maximizer. That's the only thing that's gonna be on the bass. All right, so let's get a screwdriver and get started. Actually, instead of a screwdriver, let's get the drill. That works faster. All right, so let me turn off all of these things. I think this is gonna be kind of challenging, having to hold 4 items at once to put on this privacy screen. All right, so I have these 4 items that are hanging right here. All 4 of those are gonna go behind the privacy screen, which I have right here. All right, so paper is still on there, so I don't know when I'm gonna take it off, but when I'm ready to use it, I'll take them off. And this is where it gets challenging, because I have to hold all 4 of them. See? It seems I need a second hand. Can I do it alone? I think so. Alright, so that wasn't very hard. Got 1 screw in. Oops. Let's go. Oh. Alright, so it seems I really need some help. I can't get the next one in. Let me try this. Alright, so that worked. Just need to get the remaining screws in. Alright, so it's going. Got 3 of the corner screws in. This should be the 4th of the 4 corner screws. So four corner screws are in. I have a couple more screws to go in. Alright, so all the screws are on this thing. It's on there nice. Opens like that. And all that stuff is private now. Alright, so I think for right here, I want to drop this one and then put a cover right here. So the cover could be on the bottom or right here. It doesn't really matter, but I think I'm gonna put it on the top. Let's see. Alright, so I think I prefer this look. I really think I prefer this look. So I think I'm gonna keep it this way. Alright, so that's that. Alright, so far, power conditioner, space holder, reverb, this stuff is hidden. Alright, I'm gonna do the big reveal, taking off the paper in a minute. Space cover, I have 2 space here. No. This is a 3-space cover. And I think I have 3 more space here, so what that mean? I could add 6 1-unit amplifiers. And I'm starting with 3. Three amplifiers gonna play 1 column. That's 2 half a column. So that means if I had even 3 more amplifiers, I have 2 columns. And I have 3 more. I wanna go more than 2 column or 2.5 column the most. But yeah, a couple more amplifiers, you could play 2 columns easily. Alright, so before I end this video, I'm going to do the big reveal, peeling off this thing. So let's get the one on the inside first. Alright, so paper gone. That was the inside one. Goes in the trash. Then I got the outside one. Alright, paper gone. So that is the front one. This is what I'm bridging 2 short call. The see and blind, the hear and deaf. Can't see what's in here. But only you, I'll show you. Alright. So in a minute I'm gonna turn on these 2 drive rack and tune them. I have the bottom one labels as 1, the top label as 2. I think the bottom one I'm gonna play low, mid, and horns on that one. And the top one was already tuned to play horn and tweeter. I think I'm gonna change that to high, mid, and tweeter. So I'm gonna have low, mid, horn, and then high, mid, and tweeter. I think that can work. Alright. Alright, so next thing is just to, add, I think I have some 3-unit vented covers. So I'm gonna put 1 here. So this is a 3-unit vented cover. I'm gonna put 1 right here. Ouch, get in there. So that's gonna sit like that. I'm gonna pan the camera a little and show you. So that's it. Alright, so let me get this 3-unit vented cover in. And it's just not going in. Space is too tight. Nope. That one is not going in, so loosen up something else. I was able to get this vented cover in. I had to loosen up everything all the way down to the Admark bass amplifier, the first thing that was in. But anyway, it's in. So I just have to screw it up now, and everything is in. As far as what I'm gonna start with, because I still have 6 units here and 1 more unit here, so I have 7 out of the 16 unit left. I only use 9. So I have 7 left. So anyway, I'm gonna screw up this now, and then take some pictures of the front. Still have 1 unit, 1 space right here. And like I said, I'm waiting for another 4-channel amplifiers on the way. It's gonna sit right here. So only starting with 3 amplifiers, and can't wait to hear what it sounds like with just 3 amplifiers. Should be good. Alright, so I turn the camera up a little. Okay, so that's it. Finished screwing up everything for the front. The only thing needs to go in is 1 more 4-channel amplifier right here. Right here. Alright. So this is a 4-channel amplifier. It's a 2-channel for the bass. 4-channel here is gonna play horns and tweeter. Alright, so I'm almost pretty much done with the front. All I have to do is slide in the amplifier, like I said. So I'm gonna take some pictures so you can see them. Alright, cool. Alright, so what I'll be doing today is canoeing. Reach again, German got to one, don't know Avalanche, so I'm some champion soon. And 2 shots a bunty. Okay, sure. Marijuana, yeah. Burn it from the corner. Chris with Avalanche sound. And bunty 2 shots. But you take the lossing, give it the weed. Put guns away. Mother bunny, don't tell you will murder down the weed. Give it the weed. Consent to weed. Guns on me for me, and I get sick.